Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we have cloned our TPMS sensors, a copy from here, we need to get these into the winter tires. I'm gonna take this opportunity to replace them since these are from 2017, so they're kind of getting up there in age. These are the Bridgestone Blizzak WS90s. Let's do some research to see in the past 6-7 years if they come out with a better model. Okay, initially I went with the DMV2s over WS80 because they are for SUV light trucks, so a little heavier. My hope was a little more durable, but the WS80s have an improved version, WS90. We don't have a DMV3 yet, so I might go with the new one. I'm also gonna ask about Michelin X Ice. Let's go shopping. I'm back from holiday vacation and still haven't unpacked it. I was really hoping to use these winter tires before all the skiing, but I was procrastinating a little bit and didn't get the tires in time. They have them now. Luckily, the snow wasn't too bad, and it was nice testing the all-season Geolanders. They are noticeably worse than the DMV2s that I used for the past 6-7 years. So good confirming that dedicated snow tires is the way to go for me. Let's double check the TPMS sensor IDs and go pick these up. I am loving these. I'm definitely getting old because I get excited over new winter tires. These are directional, just like the DMV2s. America's Tires was nice enough to bag the Yokohama that will go into storage for the next few months. But most importantly, there is no tire pressure indicator here, which means the cloning TPMS sensors worked. Video 246 done.